Hi guys, welcome to this short video about fake USB sticks on Amazon and the reason why they are still sold. I mean, there are some listings which are around since months and years and nobody is taking action. I mean, actually I would expect that Amazon, after some complaints, would take these listings down and even ban these sellers from selling such fake USB sticks, but it's not happening. And if you're wondering why, I'm going to tell you why this is. So I bought this just about a month ago, and somehow regarding the reviews it has been looking very suspicious. And so when I got this USB stick, I tested it with some sophisticated program. I mean, you can't just test it with normal things on a PC, so you need some tool which is overwriting the whole memory with something, and after that it's comparing the values. Otherwise you can't find out. If you just go on a PC and do normal checks, you won't find out. It will just show you 128 gigabytes. So and it clearly found that this was fake. So here's some screenshot of this program. It was running for a little bit more than 2 hours. I mean, it was not finished, but it was already very clear to see that the media is fake. It was saying, yeah, the media is likely to be defective. Only 29.2 gigabytes are okay. And I think 61 gigabytes are already lost, and it was not even at the end of the story. So usually these things are working good till about maybe 10, 20, 30 gigabytes or so, and after that everything is just wrong. So how this is actually working, they are using very small USB sticks, maybe 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes or something like that, 32 gigabytes, because they are very cheap. And they are replacing the controllers with some fake controllers which are pretending to be 120 or 256 gigabytes. And after the end of the physical storage, they are starting to overwrite the existing space. So if you are just storing up to this amount, like up to 29.2 gigabytes, there will nothing happen. I mean, you can store videos and photos and documents and whatever, nothing will happen. But if you are filling up like with 60 gigabytes or so, the second part of it, like the second 30 gigabytes will overwrite the first 30 gigabytes. And if this is like work products, like photos, important photos, videos, and I mean, everything will be lost. You can lose a job, or you could fail your studies or whatever. It's really a sad story. This is one of the biggest scams which is around since years. And it looks like they are not going to get rid of these things, but it would actually be very easy when they were using such programs. But anyway, I mean, I have my proof. It's clearly a fake, and I just wanted to return it. And then I thought, okay, when I just return it, maybe of course I make a bad review, but not everybody is watching these things. They have also some good reviews, and people are maybe just buying them. And they're storing these things, and they are losing their photos, videos, and work items. And so this is a really sad story. I mean, this could be life changing for some people. I mean, when you lose your job or so, you fail your study or so, this could be really bad. So I decided to talk to a rep of Amazon, and I told him, hey, I've tested this stick and it's totally fake, and you should take action against this listing and this seller. And he was telling, yeah, okay, yeah, then thanks for notifying me, but yeah, let's try this and find out if this really doesn't work. And I told him, yeah, okay, yeah, let's do this. And he told me, yeah, go to your PC, plug it in, format it, and tell me what you see. I said, yeah, okay, I can format it with FAT32 or whatever you tell me, NTFS, and it's formatted. I mean, I did it. And I came back to him and I told him, hey, yeah, okay, it's showing everything empty. I mean, it was showing after formatting 124 gigabytes out of 124 gigabytes free. And he was saying, yeah, okay, then it looks fine. I told him, no, it's not fine. Please understand, this is not just missing physical memory. This is faked controller. This is like when you buy a car and it's showing a different speed or different kilometers or something different. It's totally manipulated. And told him, yeah, you can't see that. There's no way you just can format this thing and find it out. And then he said, yeah, okay, maybe, yeah, and he checked the listing, and then he said, yeah, oh, where did you test that? I told him, yeah, it was on my PC. And he told, yeah, check this thing here, it just says it's for iPhone. You can't test this on a PC, it just works for iPhone. Yeah, I told him, yeah, there's no such thing like a USB stick just working for iPhone. It's not there. If it's not working for PC, it's not working for iPhone. Then he said, yeah, it's just iPhone. There's nothing wrong, probably. It's just for iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, you can't test it. Then it's not faulty and you can't return. Then I told him, hey, come on, check the whole listing. There's also here, down here, you can see it's working also for iPad mini, PC, laptops, and so on and so on. Also, when you go down, you can see same thing here. Then when you go down to Q&A, there's something here. And it clearly that's from the seller here, and the seller says, yeah, it's also working, it's compatible, fully compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and so on. And then he gave up and they said, yeah, okay, I see, it should work for PC, but still, yeah, we haven't found the problem. And that was ongoing for half an hour. Yeah, I'm not exaggerating. This was really ongoing for half an hour. I tried to explain this guy what's really happening with this stick, how they are manipulating and how we can only detect, and he didn't get the point. He really, I should use here some different expressions for this guy, but unfortunately I'm not allowed to do that because I don't want to risk my channel. But you guess what I'm talking about. This is crazy. So unfortunately there was a guy who was absolutely not understanding what I'm talking about, no knowledge, no nothing. And he just didn't want to do something. I mean, at the end, he said, okay, yeah, if you're not happy, you can return it. No problem with that. But he definitely didn't want to take action against the listing and the seller, which is really, really sad story. So people will keep buying the thing. You can see the reviews. I mean, when you check such reviews, it looks very good. It has a 4 out of 5 and 59% of the people give 5 stars. These are only people who are not storing more than 30 gigabytes. Yeah, when you're not storing more than 30 gigabytes, you can be pretty happy with that. But there are a lot of people, especially when you go to the most recent reviews, you see a lot of 1-star reviews, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. A lot of them here. People really saying, yeah, it's fake, it's not good, it's not working, and so on. But a lot of people will be buying because of so many 5-star reviews, and if they put more than 30 gigabytes on it, they will lose it. Whatever it is can be really life changing. I mean, really to the bad. It looks really, there's nothing we can do, nothing which can change that. I mean, if you're in the same situation, you can try the same thing to explain these people what it is, but I think it's a waste of time. So unfortunately these scams will be around for another couple of years or even decades, as long as we need USB sticks. And yeah, that's it for now. I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video and give you some insights. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.